If you've just installed a new gas valve and the pilot will no longer stay lit, the first thing you need to check is the thermocouple block position. The thermocouple block is the white block attached to a blue or brown wire which runs down to the solenoid on the gas valve. This block enables communication between the thermocouple and the valve, allowing the valve to detect the presence of a flame at the pilot assembly. A SIT 820 Nova gas valve has two thermocouple block positions. They ship from us in position 1, but in some cases need to be moved into position 2, depending on how your old valve was mounted. When removing your old valve, it is important to ensure that you are ordering the exact replacement with the same part number that is found on the label right down here under the model position. When you're inspecting this, also take a look at the thermocouple block and its location on the valve, whether it's position 1 or position 2. To move the thermocouple block to the second position, simply grab the sides of the white block and remove it from position 1, and then slide it into position 2. To keep the wires out of the way, you can loop it, and then you'll want to tuck it into the groove as shown here. Before installing the thermocouple, always make sure that the thermocouple bulb and the metal plate on the block are clean and clear of any corrosion or debris. On this valve, the thermocouple block port thread size is 11/32, which is typically found on the 820 Nova valves for use in vented systems. Thread size may vary depending on the application. Vent-free 820 valves will commonly have an M8x1 threaded port for the thermocouple. Always verify your current valve model matches any replacement gas valve. During installation, you'll first want to take your thermocouple, insert it into the port, and thread it until you get it finger tight. Once this is finger tight, in this case, a 9mm wrench, a quarter turn until it is snug. Overall, when purchasing a new gas valve, it's important to make sure that the new part number matches your current part number, and when installing the new valve, you must ensure that the thermocouple block is installed in the correct position.